200 grams of biscuit or crackers, 85 grams of sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 180 ml milk, 1/4 cup butter, crushed nuts, vanilla, and optional ingredients, powdered sugar, and sprinkles for the topping. First, we need to break the crackers or biscuit in small pieces. Next, we add the crushed nuts. Here I'm using cashew nuts. This is an optional ingredient. You can omit this if you do not want to have nuts in your recipe. In a saucepan, combine milk, cocoa powder, sugar, butter, a pinch of salt, and vanilla. Mix them together until the butter is completely melted. Pour the mixture into your bowl of crackers. Mix thoroughly. With this recipe, you can make 2 lugs. Transfer 1/2 of the recipe onto a parchment paper and roll it to form a lug. From the parchment paper, transfer it to a plastic wrap. Refrigerate overnight or freeze it for a couple hours. Now you can choose what you want for toppings. You can use powdered sugar or sprinkles if you have them. Or you can put a chocolate glaze over your chocolate log. Here I'm using 100% cacao chocolate bars. You can use semi-sweet chocolate bars. In a saucepan, warm 100 ml milk. For 100 grams of chocolate bars, use 100 ml milk. Remove the pan right before the milk starts boiling. Pour it over your chocolate. Cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it. You can adjust the sweetness of the mixture by adding sugar. Since I'm using 100% cacao, I added 2 tablespoons sugar to reduce its bitterness. Remove your chocolate log from the refrigerator and pour the chocolate glaze over it. Enjoy your homemade chocolate and biscuit log. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat!